guys, I'm back again. We got another video here. Today I got several packages in from the mailman. This one right here is my new sharpener. So let's get into it and see what we got. And there it is. This is the Wicked Edge Gen 3 Pro. Let's get in here and see what all it comes with. Now, I did order extra accessories to come with it, like the low angle adapter, extra blocks, leather stropping blocks, extra diamond grit, 3 shelves. Ordered 2 of these because I got a grinder also. So I'm going to use this one with my grinder, and then I'll leave one here with the kit. This is for sharpening the longer blades. It'll allow me to fine tune and make sure that I'm right at that exact angle I'm looking for. What else we got here? 1410 micron diamond leather strop pack. I believe, yep, these are my one set of my leather stropping blocks. And this is my 1.5 micron diamond emulsion leather strop pack. So that's another set of the blocks. This is my stropping compound. And the depth gauge. This is the Wicked Edge tool. Their Allen key. They have 2 different sizes on here. And this should be the longer rods for using the low angle adapter. That will allow me to work a blade up to 1/4 inch thick, and also to get extreme angles for like kitchen knives. So there's my 12-inch guide rods. Let's get this out of the way. Let me tell you, packaging through the roof. This is the low angle adapters. These should just mount on and allow me to use larger blades, and also allow me to get a steeper angle. I love how everything fits in this box. This is exactly what I was looking for. If I go somewhere, I can take it with me. I know everything's in my box. What is this? I don't know if y'all can see that or not. Some type of measuring device. I'll have to check out the instructions more to see what that is. These are the standard length rods that come with all kits. What else? Looks like that's about it. Other than the blocks that I've ordered. It came with 6, and then I ordered an additional sets of grits. Here's the book. I'll be going through this shortly before I try to get started. I'm gonna make sure I'm on the up and up with how everything is supposed to work. But the main piece, the part I'm most excited about, right here. That's it. The Wicked Edge Gen 3 Pro system. We'll have to get this going and I can give you guys a good review. We'll see how it does. So far, I am very impressed. Amazing packaging. So that's the unboxing. Once I get ready to use this thing, I'll get back with y'all, post another video of me using it, setting it up, the full process. But I just wanted to get this out here so y'all could see one of the packages we got in today. I'll be making some more videos either tonight or in the morning. And we'll get the rest of the stuff put on here. Appreciate you guys checking in.